Eric and Gilbert love wandering these aisles. You never know what you'll find. In the realm of forgotten treasures, two halves wander. One seeks memory, one seeks meaning. The aisles stretch like time, each shelf a whisper, urging the halves to seek their own completion.
Thrifted treasures and holiday decor, Eric and Gilbert bring you to the red, white, and blue thrift store. Stay with us until the very end. The magic happens when the two halves finally meet. Watch as these pewter birds find each other again.
$80 you want.
To the toy section. These dolls are 75% off. So if you're a doll collector, you'll be in heaven. $350.
All the glasses and cups. Remember Blue? 75% off set of 6 cups at $7 for. So after the discount, the set is $1.75.
$20. Those are creepy.
Hello, Costa, and then red, white, and blue. The store will be closed in 5 minutes. Please come to the front where you find our payment. Thank you.
These are kind of pricey, but they look nice. Oh, it's $20 for the set.
Found apart, remembered together. The braid mends, the vessels join, the smiles. The halves have met, the hum is steady, the spiral watches, and in every forgotten thing it finds a chance to mend the world.
Subscribe and give us a like. We will appreciate it. Share your best thrifting experience with us. Thank you for watching our second video at Thrifted Treasures Holiday Decor.